Namaskar, this is Seshadri, your labor law advisor, corporate trainer, POST IC member. We need to learn new labor codes. In this juncture only, we have started a series of videos on learn new labor codes with Sesha. In this video, we will understand about the ESI coverage. Should ESI be paid as per the new code on wages or old pattern? Which date it is applicable? That is the question with us. Let us understand with the what are all the documents available with us. These are all our services. Anything services required, you can contact us. We are in social media also. You can scan and you can follow for updates. Let us understand. New labor code. Yes, new labor code has come. In that it was implemented with effect from 21st November. So in this new labor code, it has brought a uniform wage definition. Uniform wage definition, whatever the calculation you take, whatever the code it comes, all the codes are talking on same wage only. Wage definition is same for universally. Meaning ESI contribution also, it is linked with wages. So whether we have to follow the new definition of wages or old, that is the question with us. Earlier we used to pay for ESI on gross. On gross, whatever the earned gross, we are paying for ESI. In case the gross is below 21,000, the persons are covered under ESI. The new code, the wage definition says wage is only basic plus DA as well as retaining allowance. Then allowances should not be more than 50% as per that rule, and then anyway the calculations, everything to be done on basic plus DA only. That is inclusion part. We have to ensure 50%, and that I will put another video how the wage restructure we should do. So now we will take only basic plus DA. Earlier practice earned gross. Now the as per new basic plus DA. So the 21,000, the ceiling, that also now it will affect, because earlier earned wage, that is gross, is more than 21,000, they will be out of coverage. Now basic plus DA is less than 21,000, we need to cover them under ESI as per the code. That means any of the employees, earlier if they are drawing their gross is 30,000, now as per the new code you will be fixing the basic plus DA around 18,000, like that. When it is fixed 18,000, it is below 21,000 statutory ceiling of ESI, then they will come back in the ESI. So hence, whether we have to cover them or not, we have to follow the new code or not, that is the since questions. We will see some of the documents released by ESI Corporation. On 11th December, they have released one notification. New wage definition. They have put all the wage definition. This is this. Then as per the wage definition, you cover the employees. Like that, they released the circular in December itself. Even from Chennai as well as Gujarat ESI Corporation, they have released lot of circulars. In that also you see the Chennai circular, it is you have to register all the employees, eligible employees under ESI within 10 days, like that they have released one December month itself. Now we'll take the code. In that code, section 164 deals this issue. Section 164, repealing of old act, that means withdrawal of old act. There is no old act, that is no PF act, no ESI act exists as on today. It is mentioned in the code itself. In that 164B, telling about the ESI and PF scheme, how to deal. In that it has told EPF act as well as ESI act. Under that, what are all the schemes available? Either it is a PF scheme, pension scheme, EDL, that is going to continue for 1 year. Unless and otherwise any inconsistencies, it will continue till 1 year. And the government will notify. They will give the what are all the amendments in that scheme. You know very well, 139th general body meeting it has held. In that new schemes also, it is approved by the trustees. It will be forwarded for further approval. So these are all the information. So till 1 year, the same thing we have to continue, shall remain in force to the extent they are not inconsistent with the provisions of the code for a period of 1 year. That's what it has given in the code itself. In addition to 164, in schedule 1, it has given clearly 1 year, that is government will notify on the ESI scheme. The last line you can see, yes, ESI corporation are provided by the corporation to the employees of the establishment, and such date shall be notified by the central government. So the central government will notify when the chapter 4, that is ESI scheme, is applicable as per the new code, that will be notified. So 164B also saying 1 year it will be remain in force. Schedule 1 also is saying 1 year till the central government notification. Put together, code is very clear. Government will notify whether the statutory limit as of we are following 21,000, whether it is going to continue or not, we don't know, unless and otherwise we receive notification from the central government. In this juncture, we are getting code is saying one and circulars are saying totally opposite. And FAQ, it was released in the March. In the 12th FAQ deals, how will the ESI coverage be governed until the finalization of rules? That is a question. For that, answer has been given by the ministry with effect from 21st November. The definition of wages shall apply. That means we have to follow basic plus DA only, as well as at present 21,000 per month wages notified by ESI will applicable. That means ESI coverage ceiling will be 21,000. We need to follow new code. That's what this is saying. There is a ambiguity. Code is saying one thing, circulars are saying something different. We have to immediately you have to follow. Code is saying unless and otherwise government notification. In this juncture only we get no doubt. Code is higher than the notification, as well as you can see in the FAQ last line they have disclaimer also they put. It is for the information, not for the any legal things. They have given the disclaimer. With this total, if you are taking, better to follow the code, as well as we are able to get even officials from ESI when we are asking, they are also asking us to wait. Put together, we can follow old thing. That is my personal opinion. Whether to follow or not, your wish. This is my personal opinion. So till notification comes, we can follow the old things. If comes, then immediately we can effect. So with this, whatever the papers available, I am giving my opinion. Whether to follow or not, your wish. Thank you for watching. I will get back with another video. Thank you.